Have you ever wondered what it would be like if technology could solve homelessness? Homelessness is a complex issue that has plagued our societies for generations. It's a problem that spans continents, cultures, and communities, a testament to its deeply rooted nature. From sprawling urban centers to the smallest rural towns, you'll find individuals and families without a safe, stable place to call home. The challenge lies not just in providing immediate shelter, but in finding sustainable long-term solutions that address the root causes of homelessness. It's a daunting task, one that requires innovative thinking and a willingness to disrupt the status quo. Enter technology, that great equalizer, the tool that has the potential to rewrite the rules and redefine what's possible. What if we turn to tech to combat homelessness? What if we harness the power of innovation to create affordable, sustainable housing for those in need? Imagine if we could leverage technology to provide affordable and sustainable housing. The good news? It's already happening. In Austin, Texas, a non-profit organization called Icon did something extraordinary. Nestled in the heart of the Lone Star State, this visionary group has successfully built an entire neighborhood of 3D printed homes for the homeless, a beacon of hope in a world grappling with housing crises. Icon's pioneering approach involves using a large-scale 3D printer, affectionately named Vulcan, to construct the basic structure of each home. The printer, filled with a proprietary concrete mixture, meticulously layers this material, creating the walls and roof of the house. The process, almost like an artist sculpting a masterpiece from clay, results in a sturdy, resilient structure, ready for interior finishing. One of the standout features of 3D printed homes is their cost-effectiveness. The materials used are significantly cheaper than traditional building supplies. With less manual labor required, the overall construction costs are drastically reduced. These savings are